Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to add AI rules to make your chatbot feel more human. In addition to the blocks, cards, and connectors you've learned about, you can also create artificial intelligence rules to help your chatbot know how to respond to user messages. To add an AI rule, first click on Automation from the left menu and select Setup AI. As an example, let's say that we want to create an artificial intelligence rule that knows when someone is saying hello. This way, our chatbot can say hello back. So how do we do this? Under Type in keywords that will trigger your bot, we add a list of phrases that a user might type to say hi. For example, a user might type hi, hello, hey, hi there, hola, what's up? We press enter after each phrase so that Chatfuel recognizes each as a separate option. On the right side, under Messenger Reply, you can add different responses. I'm going to say, hi there, smiley face. If you add more than one, your chatbot will randomly choose one of these options to respond to the user. So let's add a few more. Hello, welcome, it's so nice to meet you. Now let's test it out. If we go back to our flow and test our chatbot, I'm going to type hi to see how the chatbot replies, and very neat, the chatbot responded with an appropriate greeting. Since we added a few different options, it'll respond in different ways if we say hi again. This makes the chatbot feel less automated and a little more friendly. Text AI replies are the easiest to add, but you can also reply with a block, which can include cards such as images and GIFs. To create a new block, under Automation in the left menu, select Blocks, add a new block, give it a name, and add as many cards as you want. You can then link to it using the Setup AI tool in Chatfuel by selecting the appropriate name. So what if a user wants an easy way to go back to the main menu? Let's create a new AI rule for that. We'll use as a keyword menu, and instead of replying with a message, we'll make the chatbot reply with the start of the main flow. So now if we go back to test it out, we can see that if a user started a conversation with the chatbot, they can always go back to the top by typing menu in the chat window. Have fun setting up new AI rules with your engineering team to make your chatbot seem more human.